Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. uJessica Mtaung we-Kaizer Chiefs bekhuluma ne-Sunday World bafethu after i-appointment yakhe or ngithi unikwe i-FIFA umsebenzi. Cabanga bafethu, i-FIFA inika yena umsebenzi. I mean, well deserved. Kudala sebenza my sister, kudala simbona ebhizi, but simazi as i-marketing guru, umuntu we-marketing ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke abanye abantu banikwa ama-opportunities because womtakabani, but-ke thina simbonile uJessica on the ground bafethu. Ngikhule ngimazi ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi lo sisi lo is at the forefront of everything that is happening ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Nakuma lokhunjana manje kule nto le i-Nedbank bebayenze Springs bekhona lapha nakasali like all over, hands on, involved. Bekhuluma ne-media nawo amagama akhe. Uthi-ke he's honored and humbled by this appointment. Uyasho ukuthi i-privilege ngempela ukuthi asebenzele i-FIFA ku-global platform enkulu kangaka ukuthi ashape i-future of football, igame, future of football, men's football, yes. So uthi lento lena uyibona both as i-milestone ne-opportunity ukuthi a-represent i-South Africa ne-women's football at the highest level. Uthi u-grateful to i-FIFA ne-confidence eyiplace laphana kuye. Uthi is looking forward to contributing a meaningful to the growth and sustainability of the game. Bonke le game la bayithandayo overall. Uyabona ukuthi umuntu o-passionate or ready to take on this journey ukuthi asebenzele i-FIFA. Already siyazi ukuthi uJessica, njengoba bengishilo bafethu uma ngivula ukuthi yabona local football u-present, u-visible, naku-continental football unawo umsebenzi. I think usebenzele i-CAF, yes, angisakhumbula ukuthi iphi i-department, but ku-CAF ukhona. Sinokumbona i-stadium Mamelodi Sundowns mayidlala kuma-big matches, sithola ukuthi ukhona laphana e-stadium overall. Uthi i-focus yakhe for manje ukuthi contribute to i-growth nokutransforma ibhola overall both e-South Africa na-globally. Uthi u-passionate about ukudrive ama-innovations, noma ama-innovation, uku-empower abafazi ku-sport noku-create ama-opportunities for next generations of leaders laphana, maybe local and international. I-appointment yakhe ku-FIFA bafethu ayi inkulu kakhulu, into vele masibheka nathi it's very difficult to believe ukuthi cabanga angaze a-appointwe yi-FIFA, but-ke I mean siyambongela. Siyambongela ukuthi nje aqhubeke asebenze ngokuzikhandla, ama-opportunities amaningi uzowathola. What's next from here ngempela bafethu? I mean again i-South African football at all laphana overall at the center of i-global game. But this time around umuntu wesimame bafethu putting South Africa on the map, from kuma-boardrooms to i-global stage. Imagine this bafethu, gama lakhe uJessica. Well, the queen of marketing siyamazi ukuthi uyi-powerhouse laphana behind the scenes ku-Kaizer Chiefs because ubheke i-brand. Isikhathi esiningi banokumcriticize bathi ufocus ekuthengiseni amajezi we-Kaizer Chiefs egrawundini aku-transcend to what they are doing behind the scenes. But-ke manje latest-ke phakathi ofisini le-FIFA una-early 50s laphana, I think 52 lapho nje. Uyaprova ngempela ukuthi i-leadership ugood, uya-excela kuma-positions abamnika wona, njengoba bengishilo ukuthi akathola ama-positions ngoba umntana kabani. I mean kuyabonakala ngempela noma uyabonisa ukuthi ama-opportunities awatholi ngoba uyindoda or uwumfazi. Noma uwumfazi uma usebenza kanzima kuleyo department osebenza kuyo bayakwazi abantu ukukubona, ukuku-recognize. Na-ke nabayam-recognize manje umhlaba wonke soyamazi. Before i-global stage-ke ubuya obviously laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, siyazi ukuthi ubabakho ubani bafethu, i-founder ye-Kaizer Chiefs and what they've built laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially the admin side, ukuthi babuilde i-brand yabo ukuthi ibe ngaka bafethu. I mean that's a big thing. So we'll just have to wait and see overall ukuthi utranslate kanjani overall, nanokuthi uzokwazi ukusebenza kanjani kulokhunjana ku-FIFA, nanokuthi uzo-contribute-ani. Obviously-ke angakwazi ukukhula from the position le akuyo ku-FIFA bafethu, inspire even more generations to come, especially amantombazane amancane angakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay kuyaphileka kule nto le yebhola, khona ama-opportunities uyawathola uma usebenza. Phela usisi Jessica kudala sebenza bafethu, and every day like we-hands on everything uyasebenza ngempela. So but like you see, like not make no mistake, azange asebenzise vele igama just like ababakho. Obviously maybe liyambeka ku-point of privilege, but-ke uzisebenzele yena akwazi ukuzimela. Utheni i-Kaizer Chiefs from just a football team to lifestyle. I-Kaizer Chiefs is more than just a football team. So kungathi angazi ukuthi yini i-brand i-super brand bafowethu, one of the strongest fan base e-Africa, nanokuthi abantu bakhona abaloyal. Ubhidlele i-Kaizer Chiefs izinto eziningi ukuthi kube ngebrand i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inama-fans amaningi, ubhidle izinto eziningi out of i-Kaizer Chiefs. From izinto engingazibala maybe ngithini bafowethu, from what is this, from izinto ey'thengiswayo under i-Kaizer Chiefs, ama-Simba Chips lawa abanokudlala ngawo e-stadium, amanye ama-team ama-oppositions badle wona but bayayi-market i-Kaizer Chiefs indirectly, abekho aware. So they've made millions and millions and millions, hundreds of millions from indawo, the way they've curated their business and the way they've done their things bafowethu, they've really shaped ibhola lase-South Africa and showed ama-team amaningi ukuthi okay, you can grow this thing to be more than just a football team. As long as abantu bekhona, as long as abantu be-loyally, you can ride that wave yokuthi usebenzise, turn this team to be a brand, ukuthi kunezinto ey'ningi. Uma ufuna uku-associate ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uthenga ijezi every season, kuba nama-design a-different. Uma ufuna uku-associate sekuthengiswa ezinye izinto, ama-insurance ayenza ini ubudlelwane ne-Kaizer Chiefs, into ey'ningi bafethu ezi-different. So I mean, they've really transformed i-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu forefront yayo yonke lento lo Jessica Mtaung. What a lady bafowethu, what a lady. Under leadership yakhe laphana as a marketing director ku-Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs it transformed to be i-style ne-class laphana. Ama-partnerships wabo nabo Nike, nabo Vodacom, maningi. I-Nike vele bagcina vele bakhansela i-contract ne-Nike. Why? Because i-Nike, they didn't give Kaizer Chiefs a good cut overall. So for bona, they saw it fit ukuthi banike opportunity ini bayenze ubudlelwane neKapa so that they would get a bigger share of ilokhunjana yabo, i-percentage in terms of like ikipa ey'thengiswayo or i-merchandising i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. So yeah, njengoba shilo khuluma ne-Sunday World bafethu after i-appointment yakhe athi u-honored and humbled kuleya appointment, i-statement alone lesi mayithi u-honored and humbled ubonisa i-humility other side. But more than that, she shows a vision bafethu, make you understand ukuthi it's not about yena kuphela, it's about to represent South Africa and nabafazi all over the world, worldwide overall. So obviously personal milestone for an opportunity to represent esports to this highest level, because for decades football leadership sazi ukuthi nje ibhola bafethu lamadoda kuphela, especially lama-positions lawo. But-ke nangu uJessica wase-South Africa bakwazi ukum-appoint-a laphana esikhundleni esikhulu kangaka. I-era ngempela eserious ukuthi nabomama noma nabosisi bazokwazi ukuba nabo nezwi noma ne-voice ku-global football overall. So i-impact ngempela ku-South African football, it's a win bafethu on different levels for i-South African football. I-elevator i-country ku-credibility ye-global football, ukuthi bayakwazi ukuphatha ibhola kahle. I mean, bheka i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi professional kanjani, noma ngithi governance yebhola globally, because i-FIFA ugovernment webhola lonke lasemhlabeni. I mean, umuntu wase-South Africa okwazi ukustepha to i-FIFA laphana kuma-boardrooms ukuthi ma-discuss izinto naye ukhona paying attention, naye uya-add something ukuthi hayi bo akwenziwe kanje. So I mean, that's alone into evulela abanye abosisi bafethu kuma-management position, ku-marketing positions. Even naye angarefera abanye ukuthi okay, usibani nangu wenza kangcono and then akwazi ukumtrain abe under her wings. So I mean, okudala transform sports usisi Jessica bafethu. I mean, outside the field, because that is very important ukuthi ungawini but i-brand yakho ibe strong. Ile nto le yenzeka ku-Kaizer Chiefs manje ukuthi they're not winning but their brand is super powerful. It's the biggest football brand in South Africa in terms of i-fan base yabo, because you need the fans ukuthi ukwazi ukulokhunjana ukuthengisa into ey'ningi nokugcwalisa iy'tediyamu, zonke lezo zinto lezo, and then ama-brand kuba easy ukuthi eze kuwe overall. So i-Kaizer Chiefs, they've done that and they've done that really well. I-view of i-marketing yakhe, umsebenzi wakhe, i-core engine of i-financial growth bafethu ne-fan engagement laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So Yeah, simfisela inhlanhla overall. Singakhuluma kuze kuse ngayo my sister, but yeah, what a beautiful success story bafowethu. Ilesson ye-resilience lena, ye-vision, ye-purpose ukuthi from eSoweto to eZurich, phela iFIFA iseZurich laphana eSwitzerland. La kuthethwa wonke amacala, kuhlalwa khona, kubanjwa ama-meeting, kukhulunywe ngezinto ezi-different overall, naye uzoba ne-voice. Umhlaba uyobe ulalele ezinye izinto abawu-implimenta, naye uzo-add-a i-voice laphana kuma-backroom. Siyibambeni lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. It's making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Congratulations, sisi uJessica Mtawong. Danko bafethu.